Hello and welcome to another update about Ethereum. So Ethereum is still here working on a possible next breakout to the upside. It already broke out of this small descending channel, and we're gonna take a look at that in a minute. Here the question is still, have we from the low at 880 already completed, here highlighted in blue, this impulsive wave structure? So the wave 1, the wave 2, the wave 3, the wave 4 and the wave 5. Is this already complete? And are we going to head into this area down here between 1230 and 1440? So between the 61.8% fib level and the 38.2% fib level? Or are we still in an uptrend and haven't we actually completed this fifth wave to the upside yet? Speaking very honestly, nobody knows at this stage. I don't know. Both possible options. Primary expectation for me would be to first move higher, but a few conditions need to be fulfilled to maintain that. So again, for everybody who's not really familiar with the Elliott Waves, always what you're looking at to understand in which direction the trend is going. And in this instance, the trend has shifted up. So there is definitely a case to be made for the fact or the situation, the scenario that Ethereum's low, the bear market low, has already been in here at $880. Because we have seen 5 waves to the upside, that indicates that the higher level trend has shifted from a downtrend into an uptrend. So we definitely can count 5 waves. We've got the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 and the 5. The only question is the wave 5 finished? Normally I would say yes, but Ethereum still looks much stronger than many other coins, even in yesterday's small pump to the upside. And for a wave 5, what Ethereum has done with reaching 1785, it was a little bit too weak, just a slightly bit too weak. I would have really liked to see a stronger move in a wave 5. Therefore, there are 2 options. The first option is, yes, the wave 5 is already in, and what we're doing here is coming down in an ABC. That we're now coming down in an A, we're moving up in a B, we're coming down in a C, in a larger wave 2, because this 5 wave move in blue would have completed a higher wave 1. And we are now coming down in this wave 2 correction. Now you need to decide if you want to already take some profits and take some risk off the table, because an ABC correction will come either now or after the wave 5 is complete, and we will then come down. It's up to you, of course. Yeah, that is one option, taking profits and not everything, but taking some off the table. If you've bought down here in the accumulation phase maybe, or here when I switched over to the bullish scenario at around 1330. Yeah, this is up to you, of course. Or if you bought even in this reversal area that I highlighted, yeah, because even then you'd be nicely in profit and could take some profit off the table, leaving some in to ride the trend until the end. Well, that's one option. It's up to you how you do it. Because there is a realistic chance we've seen now the peak of the wave 1. Now, my primary expectation though, and that is important to say, that's the primary, is that we are going to escalate higher. Now that would assume that off the wave 5, yeah, this is not finished yet, this wave 5, we've only seen the first wave, we have seen the second wave, it has reacted nicely to it. That was the retracement level that I mentioned. Yeah, we've reversed from there as expected, moved up impulsively. What has come down was a corrective wave, possibly a 1 and a 2, and we're now in the 3. However, confirmation for that will only be obtained above 1680. And then we've got the important resistance level at 1700. So really, I think the next breakout point and also resistance level will be the $1,700 level. And here's where we could see a decision. Yeah, here we could see a decision. And then we need to move higher from there, above 1785. And if we move above 1785, then we're really looking at something around, yeah, it could really go all the way up to $2,600, this move up. But at some point then, that will be it. And we will come down in a larger ABC correction. So that is not entirely clear yet. You can of course do things. You could set up move up your stop loss, just to give you some ideas, because we have seen here quite a significant swing low. So you could move up your stop loss at around, I don't know, that's up to you. I would set it probably somewhere around 1550, or even below the reversal area at 1515. Yeah, these are all possibilities, but it all depends on your personal strategy. At the moment, we are technically still in an uptrend. Yeah, we are still making here higher lows. We haven't really made a higher high. As soon as you break, I think, below this 1560 level, we have a good chance that we are going to go down into this larger reversal area here between 1230 and 1440. Now this is only the area where in a larger wave 2 you would get into with the highest likelihood and reverse. There are of course scenarios in which a wave 2 goes lower. That's absolutely still within the wave 2 scenario. It can go lower, but to be fair, I would like to keep it contained by the 1230 level, the 61.8% FIB level, ideally even above 1280. So I don't really want to go in a bullish scenario. Even in a bullish scenario where we have a wave 2 coming down, I don't really want the price to go below 1280 anymore. That is just too much of an important level to be broken again in a bullish scenario. So however, how would I use this? So if we get into this area, I would accumulate more ETH. Yeah, so that's how I play it. All right, and that is my view about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.